Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing in to Google Photos with the account you want your pictures stored under. Once signed in, make sure Backup and Sync is enabled and choose Original or Storage Saver so you control quality versus space. Next, open the Upload dialog on the web or tap the plus in the app, pick Photos or Folder, and select the items you want. This gets the transfer started immediately. Do the first upload now so you confirm permissions and bandwidth are adequate. Once the upload begins, manage the middle steps deliberately. Pick the source folder or device where your photos live and decide upload quality because Original uses more storage. If your phone uses Hike, convert before or let Google handle it for compatibility. Make sure the app is allowed background data or set Wi-Fi only to avoid large cellular bills. On desktop, you can drag and drop many files. On mobile, long press to multi-select and queue batches, so uploads continue without constant supervision. Finish by verifying the library shows your new photos and create albums to keep things organized. Add descriptions or locations for searchability. Share collections with a link or invite collaborators, and check your Google account quota so you don't hit a storage limit. If an upload stalls, first confirm network connectivity and that the app has storage and background permissions, then clear cache or force stop and retry. Making these final checks ensures your photos are uploaded, synced, and ready to use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.